Yo, what's up, guys? It's another video from TechWiz Production Eswatini. Yebo guys, so nyalo kufike Acer Aspire 15 siyayichacha nyalo sifuna kufaka i-battery. So for those who can't hear my vernac, I just said that we are now going to disassemble this laptop and install the third party battery. I usually install third party batteries because the originals or OEM batteries are expensive, adulile kanye akunasidingo sokuthi siwasebenzise. So I'm just disassembling, removing. Make sure you always watch your ribbon cables for your keyboard and your touchpad in any model that you disassemble, unless the battery is a removable one. But since most laptops now come with the internal battery, so make sure you at least watch a video before you disassemble. I already has been disassembling this one, changing the hard drive and RAM. So now it's just me checking if the battery is properly working, and it is. It just needs a small power boost. Now we're just going to tighten up the battery screws, pop back those cables, and it's quick and easy. See you on the next one. Stay tuned for another video. I think I'll pop in another video. Cheers.